Today we are introducing something new, something fun, something very doable, very easy. So I hope you enjoy the recipe of our papdi chaat board. To make our dahi papdi chaat board, first I am using hung curd, which I have put in a piping bag only for easier use. You can even spoon this on. I have a wooden board ready. You could use a plate, any kind of a platter, whatever you like. I'm just piping out my hung curd onto my board. With the help of a palette knife. And just repeating it once again. Boiled potato, which is finely chopped. I generally like boiling my potatoes with salt. I feel it gives a better flavor. Just spreading that out on top of my dahi. Lal chana. Some soaked and boiled moong. Then come my chutneys. So I have green chutney, imli chutney and garlic chutney. So I'm just putting dots of the chutney all around. So my green chutney, garlic chutney, I'm sprinkling in some sanchal powder or kala namak powder, roasted jeera powder, amchur powder, lastly some pomegranate. You can avoid this if you don't like it. It's totally optional. Top with some save, chopped coriander leaves, and our board is ready. To serve this, we have some papdis that I place on the sides. So this is our dahi papdi chaat board. I hope you will make this and do give me a feedback about how you like this recipe. Thank you.